Out here in White Rock on this sunny day, replacing the battery on this 2018 Ford Focus. So this is the battery. So this is the override switch which the client installed, as she couldn't get to the not at the back because if she wants to have the vehicle towed, so she got this override switch installed. So it's pretty simple. It's 10 millimeters there. It's a 10 millimeter inside out there, and the negative, and it's a 10 millimeter out here on the positive. This is all. It is in a bit of a tricky position, I would say, because you have got this frame sitting on. So we'll be removing the wipers and this frame in order to get to the battery. So we'll get started now. This is a 2018 Ford Focus out here in White Rock. We've taken it off. It is in a tight spot, so you need to put your hands and energy at work. You need some strength to get it off this, because there's this pan sitting up here. The battery is come out of the vehicle. This is the old one, and then this will be the new one going in here. 2018 Ford Focus battery replacement done right in White Rock. The new battery is in there. The vehicle starts, it's up and running. The client is happy. She can get to work tomorrow and do her errands. So call us for battery replacement, battery diagnosis, starter replacement, alternator replacement, brake pads, rotors, pre-purchase inspections, and we'll do it right out of the driveway as we did for this client out here in White Rock. We did not take off the wiper blades and the panel for this one. It is in a tight spot. We could just slide it through. While removing the battery, it does take a bit of an effort, but you can refer to a different video we have on our channel for a escape which we did, in which I have taken off the wiper blades and the panel in order to get to the battery. Thank you.